The auto add feature is the key to keeping your Aura frame automatically updated with new photos. When enabled for an album, it syncs that album with your frame, ensuring any new photos you add to the album automatically appear on your frame. To enable auto add, start by opening the Aura app and selecting your frame. You'll see the main interface with your frame's current photos and activity feed. Next, tap the Add Photos button and switch to Album View. Choose the album you want to sync with your frame. You can see albums like this office album with 17 photos. The crucial step is enabling the Auto Add toggle before confirming. This ensures that any new photos added to this album will automatically sync to your frame. Then tap Add to confirm the setup. For Auto Add to work properly, especially on iOS devices, ensure the Aura app has full access to your photo library. Go to your device settings, find Photos, and set the Aura app to full access rather than just Add Photos only. When Auto Add is enabled, Aura's intelligent quality filter automatically works in the background. It excludes suspected duplicates, blurry photos, and potentially inappropriate content, ensuring only the best photos appear on your frame. If you need to disable Auto Add for an album, go to the Photos tab in the Aura app, then to the Albums section. Select the album, tap the three dots menu, and choose Disable Auto Add to stop automatic syncing. Remember, Auto Add is essential for keeping your Aura frame updated automatically. Enable it when adding albums, ensure proper photo library permissions, and trust the quality filter to show only your best photos. When basic Auto Add settings don't resolve your Aura frame sync issues, it's time for systematic troubleshooting. We'll work through the most effective solutions step by step. First, verify that Aura's cloud services are operational. Service outages can prevent photo syncing entirely. Check Aura's official status page or social media channels for any reported issues. Next, troubleshoot the Aura app itself. Ensure you're running the latest version, as Aura regularly releases updates with bug fixes for Android, iOS, and iPadOS. Force close the app completely and reopen it. Wi-Fi connectivity is crucial for photo syncing. Move your Aura frame closer to the router to improve signal strength. Restart both your router and the frame to refresh the connection. For iCloud users, the Optimize iPhone storage setting can slow down uploads significantly. Disable this feature and download full-quality photos to your device before uploading to Aura for better performance. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Use a paperclip to press the reset button on the underside of your frame for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes dark. This will restore all settings to default. Finally, close other background apps that might interfere with the Aura app's performance. Too many running apps can compete for system resources and affect photo syncing reliability.